All right, Seth Mosier fishing fans, we are here at a pond in Texas. I just finished up with the Bassmaster High School All-American, and we've been catching them at this pond pretty good, so we're gonna get out here and see what we can do. Rocking my MGC Feeling the Live Well shirt. Gonna go out here and hopefully catch a big one. All right, we're pulling up to the pond. We got some of the other high school All-Americans here. First one we're gonna see is BPA Bass, and you need to go follow him on YouTube and Instagram. The man can catch them. He flipping caught a biggin today on Lake Quitman during the All-American tournament, and hopefully he's catching some more. Are they biting? They are? How many you caught so far? 5 or 6. The man is catching them. Got a beautiful little pond, some hydrilla, some grass. So hopefully we'll catch them. All right, we're just gonna start out with a little clacking buzz bait. They've been biting it pretty good here lately, especially in this pond. Hopefully we'll catch us a big one. There's a good one. There we go. That's a good fish. Oh yeah, baby. Got her. First one tonight on the Magnum Fluke. No hook marks. That's surprising. Good fish right there. Maybe 2.5 pounds. We'll let her go. Woo! Get out of here. Get out of here. There we go. On the Magnum Fluke. There he is. Good fish on the frog, baby. Skeet him in, skeet him in. Bang, that's a fatty with a fat mouth of grass. Boom. Oh yeah. I saw her wake over here on the edge of the grass, and I figured it would eat. So, good fish. Solid 2.5 or 3. All right, here's the release. Good fish. Gosh, why did all these fish swim towards the bank? Every one of them like swim straight into the bank and then cut out. There he is. Skimming on the frog. Smaller guy, come up and busted it. Ate it good though. Anytime you can catch them on the frog is a good day. Cranked her, baby. Smoked the buzzbait.